Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph online classes. I'm Meenakshi Viri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you exercise 6E word sums based on multiplication. Exercise 6E word sums based on multiplication. Question number 5. If 1 meter of a cloth costs rupees 245, what will be the cost of 36 meters of the cloth? Children, whenever value of one thing is given and you have to find out the value of many things. In this sum, the cost of 1 meter cloth is given and you have to find out the cost of 36 meters of the cloth. Always you have to do the multiplication, right? When cost of 1 meter of cloth is given and you have to find out the cost of 36 meters of the cloth, always you have to do the multiplication. First of all, you have to write down the statement. Try to write from the question only. Okay, then let's start. Cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 245. Second statement, cost of 36 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 245 multiplied by 36. Now do the multiplication. 245 you write down in first line and 36 you write down in second line. Start multiplying with the unit place number. Which one is the unit place number? 6 is the unit place number. Let's start. 6 5s are 30, 0. 3 carry over 4. 6 4s are 24. Add 3 in it, 27. Carry 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 14 together you have to write. Now put 0 or cross under the unit place number. Which one is the unit place number? 0 is the unit place number. Okay. Now start multiplying with the tens place number. Which one is the tens place number? 3 is the tens place number. Let's start. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now add 0. 7 plus 5 12, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8, carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. Okay. Now the answer is 8. 8 to 0. Children, now we will solve question number 6. There are 178 50 rupees notes in a bag. 178 50 rupees notes in a bag. How much money is there in the bag? Now you have to write words into numbers. 178 50 rupees note means 178 multiplied by 50. Let's start. 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. Put cross under the unit place number. Start multiplying with the tens place number. 5 8s are 40. Carry 4. 5 7s are 35 plus 4, 39. Carry 3. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. Now add 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9 and 8. 8, 9, double 0. Now we will solve question number 7. How many hours are there in the month of January? First of all, we will change month into days. Children, do you know how many days are there in the month of January? Yes, 31 days. Month of January is equal to 31 days. 1 day is equal to how many hours? Yes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now you have to change days into hours. That means you have to multiply 31 with 24. Let's do the multiplication. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Write cross or 0 under the ones place number. Start multiplying with the tens place number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 1, 7. 744 hours. In the month of January, we have 744 hours. Question number 8. Each class in a school has 3 sections. Each class means in one class, sections is equal to 3. In one class, section is equal to 3. Each section has 40 students. Each section has 40 students. That means number of students in one section is equal to 40. Number of students in one section is equal to 40. What is the total number of students in classes 1 to 10? What is the total number of students in classes 1 to 10? Children, total classes 1 to 10 is equal to 10 classes. Total classes is equal to 10. Section in one class. Each means 1. Section in one class is equal to 3. Okay, sections in one class is equal to 3. It is given in the question. Total sections in 10 classes, 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. Total sections in 10 classes. Okay, sections in one class is equal to 3. Total sections in 10 classes is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. Students in one section is equal to 40. How many sections are there, children? 30 sections. How many sections are there? 30. Students in one section, 40. Then students in 30 sections, 40 multiplied by 30, it is 1200. Student in 30 sections is equal to 1200. 4 threes are 12 and 2 zeros will come. Okay? 1200 students. Question number 9. How many hours, minutes are there in a week? How many hours, minutes are there in a week? Now, let's start. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. First of all, we will change weeks into days, days into hours, and hours into minutes. 1 week is equal to 7 days. And 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 1 week is equal to 24 multiplied by 7, 168 hours. 168 hours. Now we will change hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 168 hours is equal to 168 multiplied by 60. Let's do the multiplication. 24 multiplied by 7 is equal to 168. 168 multiplied by 60. 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. Put cross under the unit place number and start multiplying with the tens place number. Which one is the tens place number? 6 is the tens place number. 6 8s are 48, carry 4. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40, carry 4. 6 1 are 6 plus 4 10. Let's add 0. 8 plus 0 8, 0 0 1. 1 double 0 8 0. Question number 10. How many seconds are there in 5 hours? First of all, we will change hours into minutes and minutes into seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 5 hours is equal to 5 multiplied by 60, 300 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And 300 minutes equal to 300 multiplied by 60, 18,000 seconds. Our photos can be printed on a sheet of paper. 4 photos can be printed on a sheet of paper. How many photos can be printed on a one sheet of paper? 4. Okay. How many photos can you print with 6 reams? How many photos can you print with 6 reams? Okay. That means on one ream is equal to 500 sheets. One ream is equal to 500 sheets. How many reams are used? 6 reams are used. That's why 6 reams is equal to 500 multiplied by 6, 3000 sheets. 6 reams is equal to 3000 sheets. Okay. On one sheet, photos can be printed is equal to 4. On one sheet, photos can be printed is equal to 4. Children, how many sheets you have? 3000 sheets. Okay. On 3000 sheets, photos can be printed 3000 multiplied by 4. On 3000 sheets, photos can be printed is equal to 3000 multiplied by 4, 12,000 photos. How many photos you can print? 12,000. Okay. How many photos you can print? 12,000 photo. Children, note down all the sums in your copy neatly. Revise the classwork. Thank you and have a nice day.